Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and y'all, I have a surprise. I'm so excited. I got a surprise from FabFitFun, and when I say that, I mean this is what happened. They had the summer edit sale, which they do edit sales throughout the year. This was after we chose and after we all got our summer boxes, and then they sent me a $7 off, $7 shipping credits. So if I spent less than the $49, I think the shipping is $6.99, I would get the shipping quote unquote for free. So it encouraged me to go look. I was looking around, and then I got an email that they were giving $10 off if you spend $50, $20 off if you spend $75, and then it did a 1 for $100, maybe 30 for $100. And I was looking at the Mega Mystery Bag. It was $49.99. It was for 5 full-size items. Well, I decided to get another box. So when you get another box at $79.99, it is uncustomized. So you get whatever they give you, but it's $80. But I got the $7 shipping off. I got $20 because I spent $75. And then I had some points left over, $2.26 in points. And what I like to do each year, it's coming up on that, is to cancel my FabFitFun and join back up because they might give me a deal. Because I always want a deal if I can get it. So I ended up paying $50.73 for 6 full-size items instead of $49.99 for the Mega Mystery, which would be 5 items. So let's see what I got. It's a summer box, and it's very heavy. So let's see what's in there. I did cut it open. Okay. And then of course, this is what she looks like on the inside. Super, super duper cute. Sun's out. Fun's out. Sun's out. Fun's out. And I figured, I think that FabFitFun has wonderful products in it. A lot of them I don't necessarily choose because I have a lot of things, being an older person. But their items make great gifts. So it looks like you spend $25 to $50 on an item, and you didn't. So they've got just a little bit of stuffing in there. And let's see what I got. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 items. So I don't remember categories and all that, and I don't remember pricing. So we'll just see what we get. I got some good in there. Okay. We got the First Aid Beauty. These are the Ultra Repair Hydrating Pillow Pads. These are very nice. This is the colloidal oatmeal and ceramides. So these are pads. There's 60 pads in here. And this was offered in the their Edit Beauty Box as well. And it's a great product from what everybody says. Well, I looked up the prices. So category 6, I got the Glow Recipe. This is a $29 value. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist Hydrating Glowing Radiance. And Glow Recipe is wonderful stuff, as we know. And let me open it up and show you what this looks like. I have to read more about this. All right, let's see. This facial mist is so delicate, it envelopes skin like a morning fog. So it sounds like, I can see it in there. This is beautiful packaging. It'll sit like this. And this formula is a blend of watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus that refresh and soften skin and enhance makeup. So this is like a setting spray, but I'm pretty sure you could probably use it on your face, without makeup on. You're at the beach and you get a little dry, you can spray it on, I think, because it sounds like it's moisturizing. So it's a nice pump. So, and everybody always says that, it'll smell just like watermelon. So that is nice. $29 value. Category 5, I got the First Aid Beauty, the Anti-Chafe Stick. A lot of people like this, like for under the girls, or if your thighs rub together, you're wearing a skirt or a dress, it's gonna look like a deodorant. Is it all sealed? I think it's all sealed, so we won't bother with it. But rub it between your legs, and it keeps you from chafing. And I used to get chafing like that when I was younger, But the clothing that I wear now doesn't allow for that. And I use my Lume under the girls, so I don't have to worry about that. So, but that is a nice product. It's $20 value. And then I'm excited about this because I didn't choose this, but I was curious about it because I like the brand Ilia. This is a shadow stick. This is a $33 value. Ilia is clean beauty. This is an eye stylus shadow stick, upcycled grape extract. And it came in 3 different colors, and they sent me the color Adorn. I don't remember, what they were, but I think they're all frosted. Oh, that's, I love that color. I don't remember what the other colors were, but I would probably choose this color. So let's take a look at her. This is beautiful. Okay, well that is different than I thought it would be. A shadow stick. Okay, so all right, let's check her out. I don't really like creams so much, but because it used to be you put a cream on your eye and you'd blink and whatever, I have hooded eyes, then you'd end up with it getting just down here or just up here. You'd have a line of nothingness or a stripe. So, but the way they make things these days, it felt when I was putting it on, it dried. It dried immediately. But I can still blend it. So I don't know that it's gonna go anywhere. We'll test it out, but that's how it is. It looks, like a lip line, like a lip stick or something, but it's for your eyes. And I love that color. That's like one of my favorite base kind of colors there. And it's got a great shimmer to it. You can see it. Beautiful. So I'm happy to get that. $33 value. Category 3, I got the cookbook. And y'all, I have a ton of cookbooks, but I've always loved cookbooks. This is from Williams Sonoma. So real bougie, nice cookbook. This is a $25 value. This is Breakfast and Brunch, 100 plus recipes to start the day. So it's a beautiful book. Of course, it's beautiful. And there's going to be all kinds of wonderful breakfast recipes in there. Oops, we can take a quick look in there. Beautiful book. That's beautiful. I love that. $25. And now category 2 is where we got the pillow pads, the Ultra Repair Hydrating Pillow Pads. I do use pads sometimes, like as a toner, which I think what this would be. And I think my skin would like this because it has that colloidal oatmeal to it. First Aid Beauty was created for sensitive skin. So every skin should be able to use it. $39 value, y'all. I paid $50 for this whole batch instead of $80. So I'm just super excited. And then category 1, y'all, was something that I wanted so bad, but I didn't get it. Something, because I have so many things. This is what's so heavy in the box. Y'all, the box is so pretty. There's some more stuffing. There's the bottom of the box. You can use that box for storage and stuff like that. This is the Glasshouse candle. Y'all, I did want this. This is a $55 value. This is more right here than what I paid for everything. This is the Glasshouse fragrances. I was introduced to Glasshouse candles in an advent calendar. I don't remember which one, but I have a little Glasshouse candle and it's beautiful. And look at this, packaging is gorgeous. But this is from the Hamptons. And as a child, into my teen years, we went every year to the Hamptons on vacation. So it's a long story about that. If y'all ever want to hear it, I'll tell you. But there's 20% off if you want to use that for some candles on their website. And this does say FabFitFun on that card. And then it's wrapped beautifully and well protected, thank goodness. And let's see, let me get it out of there. Oh goodness, it's gorgeous. This is what she looks like. And this is the small little candle I have, is just like this. It has this lid. This is all glass. It's very heavy. And then it has a seal on it. Oh my goodness, it smells wonderful. It says the Hamptons Teak and Petitgrain. Oh, it smells beautiful. And it's a 2-wick candle, $55 value in this gorgeous glass. So when you're done with this candle, you can definitely use this glass. again, you know, this little apothecary jar is what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous, y'all? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. I don't usually buy a lot from the edit sales. I don't usually buy an extra box, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do it because it was a good deal. I know that sometimes they send us these different emails and I just, you know, pass it up, but I decided to treat myself this summer. So y'all, I got this stunning, stunning candle. I got the 2 First Aid Beauty products. We got the Ilia eyeshadow, which I'm going to be trying soon, and I'll let you know how I like it. And we got the Glow Recipe mist, I forgot what to call it, and the Gorgeous cookbook. So that's what I got in this. To me, this was so surprised. This is a mystery box, definitely a mystery box. FabFitFun Summer Mystery Box is what this is, and I love it, love it, love it. So y'all tell me what you think. And did you get in on any of the sales? You know, did you buy anything from the edit sales? FabFitFun has sales all the time, pretty much. They'll end a sale, and then within a day or two, they have another sale. And they have edit sales, and they have clearance sales, and they have all these kinds of things. But this was from the summer edit sale. So y'all, oh my goodness, this candle smells fabulous. I wish you guys could smell it. Oh, even with the clothes, because I had left it out. Oh my goodness, it smells wonderful. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.